Right now I'm working on two apps. One for support the client. It's my support dashboard where I can see the client request and try to complete or pay attention to that request. And the other one is an app to prepare for a meeting, like the one-on-one that we have every week. So let me start with my support dashboard. Okay, in this one, the idea was to have all the support requests in one place. Like we have at this moment, we have like four Slack channels, Gmail, and other source that I have to pay attention all day. And sometimes it's difficult to me work on development and pay attention to client at the same time. So I have create this app where I can see all the client requests. For example, this one from Cameron, the other team from Last Rep, they have some issues, so I get the information from the Slack, the code base, and the GitHub issues to analyze this in this section. For example, here I have the message from Cameron, all the discussion, and then and I have a summary also. And then with all this information, I create a list of action items that I have to complete to finish this request. Other thing that I did was connect to GitHub so I can create an issue in GitHub or I can create a ticket in Slack. I can create the status if it is a bug or it's a new, if we already know this, the priority assigned to a team member, and if this a GitHub issue, I can align this. I can sync this issue with the linear using pasting the URL. And the other app that I'm working on it right now is my one-on-one prepare for meeting, where I get the information from the meeting that I had last week. I connect this using Gmail, my integration with Gmail. I am working on the integration with Zoom to get the transcript. After get the transcript, the agent analyze the transcript and create my week task. So and order sort it by the priorities. So I get the transcript, create the task, and sort it by priorities. Also, I have my focus group where I will pin the task that I have to focus, and then I prepare for my next week priorities. So after finish the week, and when it's come sorry so after finish the week, I have a complete preparation to show Brad or other team member my review of the week, what I did, and if I didn't do something, I have the blockers here and all the explanation. So yes, this helped me a lot to prepare my meetings every week. Well, I have to redesign this because at this moment I don't like it. I prepared something. I'm working on something more clear, and that's all from my end.
Both look great. I do have a couple questions. Can you open up the first one with
Yes.
the support dashboard? So this is pulling up all the information from Slack, GitHub, Linear, and all the issues, right? So
Mm-hmm.
let's say if any
Yes.
client,
Also the Zoom.
so what I want to understand is, let's say if a client messages and there is no specific context, does the agent automatically identify which issue is it linked with GitHub or Linear, or is it like you go in and then you connect that specific message with the issue itself? Like how does that work?
Well, in this case, we have two options. The one that the agent identify the context that the user request with the GitHub issue or linear ticket, or the other one is to flag as need review. In that case, I will check the request, search if we already know that issue or if I have to create a new issue from that.
And for the other app, I think that's a brilliant idea for the one-on-ones and a good way to present our overall progress for the last week. So you're pulling data from your Gmail, also your Zoom transcripts. Like how are you managing that part, like
Yes.
the everyday progress?
Yes, I get information from the Zoom transcript. If I can get the meeting from Zoom, it will look for in my Gmail. And yes, I get all the tasks needed for this week and sorted by priority.
And this is like a sort of a scheduled task that runs on maybe on Sundays, or how have you designed it?
I designed it to read the meeting. At this moment, it's get information or get the information every time I open the app.
Okay.
My plan is to schedule this to Tuesday night. So it's like when after I have the one-on-one,
Yeah.
it's like when my week start.
Thank you, Diego.
Thanks, Pima.
That's cool. That's cool. Let's think because same thing like Brad asked us to create the one-on-one apps, and I've been working on a little bit, not so much on one as well. So I think we should just like unify and have one app. We are all having the same channels. We work on the same GitHub issues, the same board, everything. So ideally, we are all tracking one-on-ones the same way. It's very powerful what you're building, being able to track what action items, what drift has happened, and all that.
Brad just asked me to create one as well today. And this was not assigned to me on Monday, so I've just one day left. Let's see what I build and what I come up with.
Yeah, then we can compare our three apps, I guess. And maybe we can improve our own apps with something like other create, or we can think to use one app.